So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an S3 bucket in 2019. It's changed a little bit, but for the large part, it's the same, but we'll go over all the new stuff so you can just, pick like a test bucket name. There we go. US West Oregon, that is fine. This is optional. You don't need a copy from an existing bucket. You can. Bucket name already exists. Okay. Make it a little bit longer. Okay, versioning. You don't need versioning. Server access logging. You can leave that tags. You don't have to use it again. Optional. Object level logging. Again, more logging for CloudTrail. Don't need it. Default encryption. You can encrypt stuff, but you don't need to. Object lock permanently. Don't need that. CloudWatch request metrics. Can do that. There could be additional costs with it. Again, you can leave this entire properties page as default. So next, okay, you can grant access to specific users, manage public access control lists for this bucket, block new public ACLs, and upload public objects. Okay, so that's all set, and we could select create bucket, buckets and object not public.